Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you how to add cryptocurrency in MetaTrader 5. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, open the MetaTrader 5 app on your desktop or mobile. At the top left, click on Market Watch. Here, right-click and choose Symbols. Now, search for the cryptocurrency you want to add. For example, BTCUSD or ETHUSD. Once you find it, click Show to add it to your Market Watch list. Next, go to the Tools menu and select New Order. Choose your crypto pair, set your volume, stop loss, and take profit. Then decide whether you want to buy or sell. That's it. You've successfully added and traded crypto on MetaTrader 5. Just make sure your broker supports cryptocurrency trading before you start. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick trading tips.